I'm just going to wear it. Yeah. And I'll see if I shift. Got a pair of peak. And then she's the hen. Fit them in something really quite small. Guys, if you want to do what I'm doing with this stupid hat on my head, it's to hide my light bulb hair.
But you're doing it all wrong.
How am I meant to be doing it then?
I don't know. Yes.
No, I normally have a few cracks at it. Hi guys, this is one of our lovebirds and we need to get him home. So we've built this cage. No, we haven't built the cage, have we? Hi guys, if you want to check out if you want to bring your bird home.
Okay.
You know, it's pretty hard to do, man. I don't know what to say. I've got a script.
Yes.
You know, I'm trying to do a video to get this little guy, when you buy him,
Are you
back to his house.
Are you gonna? Why are you sending him home?
No, if you buy one of these at the shop,
Yes.
if you go and buy a bird at the shop, and you need to get it home,
Yeah.
then you have to get it home in a cage or a box. So it's better to take it home in a cage
Yes.
than a box. Hi guys, so you've brought your bird and you need to transport him home. What's the best thing to take him home in? One of these. That was good, Thomas. That was better.
Yeah. But you need to say a lot of words.
I did.
You didn't. You just said you need to get him in a cage.
Yeah, and that's all we need to do.
Yes.
You should always remember, guys, that there are many ways to transport your pet bird home. They normally give you at a pet shop or breeder's house. They normally give you one of these little boxes. They're okay. They're a bit flimsy. They can open. If you drop them, there's not much room for the birds. So we're going to do a video that shows you a better way of carrying your bird home, which makes them happy, causes less stress, and is much better in general. So for this, guys, we will need one small bird cage, or in this case, this is a hamster cage, one drinker, somewhere for them to stand, and of course, food. So now we have everything. But if you're feeling extra generous, a millet spray never goes amiss. It will look something like this, all fully completed with purchasing and drinkers and food in the middle there just to get him home. He will be okay in this for a few hours, literally. A bird that size you don't want to keep any longer. But anyway guys, we'll do all sorts on this channel. We're going to do breeding tips, reviews, everything to do with our little feather friends here. So I'm going to pop him back in the flight now. So anyway guys, if you haven't checked out the website, please do so. It's aviary.com and check back for more, guys. We're always popping out these. Become a subscriber, guys. That'll be cool, man, for more reviews and little how-tos like this. Okay? Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.